Welcome to the Henri and Khloe show. Today I am going to be showing you both of my RC speedboats.
You got
This one is called the FT009 boat, and this one is called the Blast boat.
He got this one first, and then he got that one second.
This one we got for Christmas just a couple days ago, and then this one we got online.
Yeah, a long time ago.
Yeah, and then so we just wanted to show you up close and stuff.
Which one do you like better?
I don't know really.
I really like both.
Yeah,
but I think I'm gonna go with this one.
Yeah.
I like both of them.
Which one do you think's faster?
This one.
That one's faster?
That's why I said it's my favorite.
It's your favorite? So this one's pretty cool, the FT009, because it goes...
It has a little 9 at the top too.
Yeah, it goes
really
fast. And it was you can find these online for like $50-$60.
Yeah.
This one was like 100 and something. Like
yeah, the Traxxas Blast was $150. You remember that?
And he used this one with his own money, but Santa bought him that one.
Yeah, you got that one from Santa. But the FT009 goes, I think, faster than the Blast.
Yeah.
And it's way cheaper. It was only like $50 to $60.
And this one comes with a bigger stand because it's bigger. This one comes with a smaller stand because it's smaller.
I think this one just goes faster because it's smaller.
Yeah, and this one like fills up with water.
Yeah, the Traxxas Blast.
One day when we went to drive this one out, when it was close to shore, we were backing it up. Then it like sunk kind of like the back just went down.
Yeah. When we went
I think it's just because it's new and something, and it's just getting it's just like it's
so
first time getting out there.
The FT009 does have reverse. The Traxxas Blast doesn't.
The Blast doesn't.
That one does not go in reverse.
Yes.
And the Traxxas Blast takes on a lot of water, and this FT009 doesn't. It's
like a metal.
Yeah.
It's like a metal boat.
Yeah, this is like sealed.
It seals very tight.
The green's like metal.
Yep.
No water will ever get in there, unless it sinks. Of course, there's gonna be water.
So for the price, the FT009 is very good.
Cheap.
For the money.
Yep.
And the Traxxas Blast, I think, is just way too expensive for what you get. You don't get very much.
I don't know. This one should have been like more, maybe like $200 or something.
Yeah.
Because it's like way faster, way better and stuff.
It's more durable. Doesn't take water.
That's a pretty good deal.
This one goes fast too.
If we bought this one like around Christmas time, it probably would have been like cheaper, but not too cheaper. Maybe like 100.
And the FT009 comes ready to go right out of the box. All the stickers on it, ready to go. The Traxxas Blast,
you had to put the stickers on it.
All those stickers we had to put on ourselves.
Yeah.
That was a pain in the butt.
Except for like the word.
There's a lot of stickers on there.
The word.
It was completely white.
Yeah, it was just completely white.
Yep.
So check out Henri and Khloe's other video. We actually drive the Traxxas Blast. You can see it
and check
and see how
out
fast
our
it goes.
other videos.
And check out the other video where we drove this one.
And we drove this. We're gonna drive this one on this video too. We're gonna take it to the lake.
All of our videos. Check out all of them.
Yep, and we're gonna check it out and see which one you guys like better. So if you have one of these,
comment down below which one you think is faster.
And comment down below. And comment down below which one is your favorite.
Yeah, green or the white and blue one.
Yep.
They're both pretty awesome. But the green one's a lot cheaper, and I think you get more for your money.
A lot more sealed, a lot more cool, and a lot better when you buy it.
And here are the remotes. You can see
this remote is for this one. That remote is for this one.
You can tell because that one's smaller than that one's like small like this one.
Yeah.
I never noticed that this one was smaller than that one.
So they're pretty cool, pretty similar. This one.
This one actually
pops open.
Yeah, that one pops open. That one doesn't. This one doesn't have a handle. That one has a handle.
This one has like a little thing.
All of them are. Both of them are. I think that's just the antenna.
And this one has they have different kind of motors because this one has like a regular motor like on a real boat, and this one has like a motor going down.
No, that's the steering wheel.
Oh yeah.
And this is the motor.
why
Yeah.
does this one
So you
have
can
this?
see the difference in size too. Let's put them up next to each other like that.
This one's way longer. This one been crashed more. This one been gooder.
I didn't crash the boat.
No, who crashed the boat?
You.
Daddy. Our dad
You
crashed.
crashed both of them.
I crashed both of them. But the green one goes in reverse, which is nice.
Yeah, but this one doesn't.
Yeah.
It's still nice.
Because if it goes like close and you can't reverse, then you're gonna have to either jump in the water if you're at the lake and you have a high boat. You're either gonna have to jump in the water, or if you have like a tiny pond where you can like put your hand in and turn it around, then you're gonna have to do that.
Yep.
But if you're at the lake, and I wouldn't bring a boat to the lake by the walls. Like I would only bring it to the lake
In
you're
like
just gonna
the
drive it
middle,
around
like in the
by
middle.
the small like places
Yeah.
where you can just.
If you're camping, you don't want to drive it like so far, or else you won't see it in a boat.
So this one stopped working. Like it broke down when we brought it to like we were like camping out and stuff.
Yeah.
And we
But
were like
this
driving
one
it.
still works.
Me and my cousin were driving it.
And me.
No, I don't
Well,
think
I
you
was-
were.
well, I
Well,
was
we were
there.
driving it, and then we were just like, and then we crashed it over like maybe like rock, like maybe
Go-
like the same rock like maybe like 5 times or something, and then like something fell out, like a piece fell out.
Yeah,
of the
like this
boat.
part, I think.
No, not that.
Yeah, it was
part,
like the
some-
shaft. Yeah, so
Yeah.
how many times did you drive the blast?
The last one maybe like 10 or something.
Like 10
This
times, and
one
then it
was
broke down
one.
on,
This
and then
one
it,
was one.
and then it broke down on us.
Yeah, and then we did it one more time because we ordered the pieces that were missing,
Yeah.
and then we drove it one more time, and then it was going pretty slow, but it was still working, so that's
Go
good.
check out when we did the Bean Boozled challenge.
Yeah.
That was with her cousin that we had doing this too.
Yeah, why? What happened with the Bean Boozled challenge?
He had a belt.
I had the spoiled milk.
Yeah, and he like took a drink of water, and then we had a bag, a
A
trash
bucket?
can, and then he like, and then like the
I
water,
puked.
and like the water was like brown.
Why?
No, because it was throw up. That's
Oh, 'cause
why.
you threw
Yeah.
up. That was nasty.
It was so.
That was
bad.
awful. Yeah, so check out that video. All right,
Yeah,
so
go check it out.
FT009, you think is the better one?
And our cousin, he actually got dead fish in there. So.
Yucky. All right,
I want to
FT009,
tell you.
go
I want
get
to
that
tell you
one.
the best color in there.
Blue.
The best one was the blue one.
Yep.
But
I like
toothpaste, it's like spicy.
I like berry
but
blue.
it's good.
All
Bye.
right.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
There you go. You go to the water fountain, go to the water fountain. Hey, where you going? Where you going? You can go into the fountain.
I don't want to go over there and then it gets stuck. So I'm going to.
You just have to go get it. Leave it as is.
Don't go in the waterfall! You crazy? Did you go in the waterfall? Oh, you crazy, Dirty. Yeah, you crazy. Ooh, sinking it. Right up here. Dad, bring it over here. Don't. Dad, bring it over here so I can keep it. Bring it over here. Crazy. Dad, let me see if there's water in it.
What?
Let me see if there's water in it.
Is there water in it?
Yeah.
No, it's fine.
Back it up and open the stop. Back it up even more unless you're like close to the shore. That got me wet.